What's going on, you guys? My name is Ben Kahan, and today we're going to be picking up my friend Victor Hansen, and he's coming from Denmark. So we're picking him up at LAX, and he has a 1970 Firebird back home that he works on, and he's around my age. I think he's 19, and he seems pretty cool. I've never met him in person, so this is going to be kind of weird, but I think he's cool. I don't think he's going to kill me at night. Basically going to be showing him like California car culture, so we're going to be hitting up Bob's Big Boy, all the small meats. So I'm going to take my camera along, and that's basically what the content is going to be like. So it's only 2:20 right now, and it is horrible traffic. This is going to be a nightmare getting back home. There he is.
What up, man?
Alright, we made it, and you got in and out for the first time. How was it?
That was pretty good, like a solid 9 out of 10.
Alright.
Price compared to what you get, compared to Denmark at least, it's...
Is it like 110 or what is it? Like,
That's something gnarly, like 115.
115? Michael, why did you spill everything?
Is it overflow or is it just...
No, it just slipped.
Are you inspired to get a car now?
Oh, very inspired.
Too many V8s out here.
Oh, dude. Too many.
So we're at Bob's Big Boy, Friday night. It's crazy, there's so many cars, and this guy's gonna allow me to get a ride in his gasser, so let's go check it out. Sounds really good.
That's pretty healthy. About 900 horsepower.
Oh wow.
That was dyno to Bill Mitchell.
All right, Victor, we just got here. How is it?
It's pretty crazy, not gonna lie. There's a lot of different cars than compared to Denmark, like much more rare cars, I guess. So
Yeah, for sure.
it's
man.
pretty cool seeing the local scene is that step higher, I guess you can call it.
It's America.
I guess.
Hell yeah, man.
Fun
It
day.
looks awesome. Everyone's repping. But I sent that for you to free.
Get
so
it, man. 4-speed film.
He bought it. He's the OG subscriber.
Everyone subscribe to 4Speed Films. Badass editor. Have a good night.
Peace out, 4Speed Films. Thanks for tuning in.
All right, Victor, how are you doing? Ready for bed?
Let's just say I'm 32 hours and no sleep. I'm fucked. I'm ready to go to sleep. Definitely.
All right, guys, we're gonna leave the show and we'll continue the video tomorrow, maybe? Oh no,
I
a
guess.
couple days. We're
I
gonna
don't
meet
know.
up with Liv next. So this is my grandma's 1961 Porsche, and she got a 1964, and it's super clean. They've kept really good care of it. The engine bay's detailed really nice, and what I've heard is it handles super well. So maybe one day I'll get to drive it, but for now I get to look at it.
It sounds great.
Alright, so it's Sunday. Oh, suspension. Alright, so it's Sunday today. We're taking Victor over to Liv's house. She has a 71 Pontiac, and she's mid LS swapping her car right now. I don't think it's running, but we're gonna go check on the progress and stuff, so stay tuned. Alright guys, we just rolled up to her house, so let's go check it out. What's up, Liv? How are you? Alright Liv, so last time I saw you, you had just a plain old 350 in it, but now it looks a little bit more complicated. So what's going on? What have you been doing?
Yeah, so as you can see, we swapped the subframe. It's way more straight now. We also added in the LS1 and 4L60E, and that's all mounted up in the car. The only thing left to do is the fuel system and wiring harness, and this thing should fire right up.
Awesome. And then when, like the next time I'll see you, will this be running, or what's your timeline right now?
Definitely next time it'll be running, driving, and then hopefully by like December, January, you'll see me at Irwindale. We'll be making some test passes.
Yeah, and then we're gonna have to do the YouTube call out series.
Yeah.
And Victor's gonna have to ship his car over here.
Exactly.
Alright, so hopefully next time I see you, it'll be on pavement and you be doing a burnout. So.
Yeah.